Hey everyone, Mr. T here. I just wanted to conduct a little experiment here and build my own little battery, and you can do the same experiment if you want yourself. The reason I'm doing this is so you have a better understanding of how batteries work. Alright, if you want to build your own battery, you're going to need some simple ingredients, some vinegar, white vinegar. I wouldn't use balsamic because your parents might be mad at you if you know, they're saving that for the salad. White vinegar works great and it's really cheap. You're going to need some copper wire, right? I'm using this solid core copper wire just because I had it around. Otherwise you can strip the insulation off of a copper wire there and use that. So copper wire, you're going to need 5 galvanized nails, and it's important that they are galvanized because we're going to need the zinc for a chemical reaction that's going to take place between, you know, the copper and the zinc to give us our voltage. We're going to need an LED. Okay, LEDs take a very small amount of current to light up, so unfortunately your battery is not going to be producing a lot of power, so don't think you're gonna be charging up your cell phone or starting your car up with this type of battery. So let's begin. I've already gone ahead and attached the copper wire to a bunch of these nails like so. Alright, and for this maybe I'll zoom into the tray there so you can have a better look and see what I'm doing. So we're going to arrange the nails with the copper so that we have 6 cells. So there's one, right? Here we're going to make another one over here, one over there, one like that, and one like that. Now we're going to add our electrolyte, in this case vinegar, to each cell. So you don't want to overfill the cells. You don't want to have so much that it's coming out and running into the next cell. So just fill the cells maybe about halfway. There we go. Might have to rearrange this one a little bit. Cut the electrode part of it a little short. Okay, so now we take our LED bulb and put it in the solution. Right. I don't know if you can see that. Let me turn the light off so it shows up a little better. There's our LED bulb glowing. Okay, if I take it out of the bulb, or if I take it out of the solution, shuts off. If I reverse the polarity, because it is an LED, it will not light up. So it has to be connected the right way as well. All right. So, why does that work? Well, let's go over here to my whiteboard and we'll try and explain it. So in our solution, right here, this this is our solution. This is our one single cell, right? Here is our zinc cathode and our copper anode, or our terminals, we can put it. And we can see the connection. Here's our LED bulb right in the center here. Okay, I'll just write LED right there, so you know it's the diode there. What happens, a chemical reaction with the acid that's in the vinegar will actually dissolve some of the copper, some of the zinc into the solution. So when that happens, we break off some electrons as the weak acid there, the vinegar, is creating a chemical reaction. And what happens with those electrons, they leave the zinc as they're connected to the LED light. They travel past the LED light. Some of them are converted to light energy, and then they continue to the copper to balance out. So we have an abundance of electrons on the zinc pole, and we have a shortage of electrons on the copper pole over there, right? So basically we've built a battery. Okay, this is actually known as a galvanic cell. Now what we've done is we've put 6 of these galvanic cells in series. 3, 4, 5. So each cell, you know, whatever it might be, and maybe we'll measure it next, will multiply, or sorry, will add the voltage from one to the next, and then we have enough voltage to light up our LED. What is that voltage? Well, let's have a look. Hopefully my battery, it's dying pretty quick here, but hopefully it's not dead yet. We'll have a look. Is it dead yet? It's almost dead. Sorry for doing dark, but we'll try anyways. First, let's just try with a voltmeter, see what our voltage is. So try and get a voltage reading. I got doesn't like that. What's wrong with this thing? I got 3.9 volts there for a second. Let's check it like this. I got 1.6 volts. .6 volts. Let's see if we can get an amperage reading off of this. Probably not, because